Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the 4 screws on the sides of the base cover. Remove the 2 screws at the rear of the base cover and pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the wireless module and remove the optional screw and latch. Remove the screw and unlatch the card. Disconnect the cables to remove the wireless card from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch the card and tighten the screw. Install the optional latch and screw. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 6 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.